Hi, today I'm going to show you how to clear your browsing history in Google Chrome. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device. Next, click on the three-dot menu icon located in the top right corner of the browser window. From the drop-down menu, select History. Now, you'll see a list of your browsing history. First, you can choose one or several specific websites from your history by checking the box to the left of each. Next, click on the three-dot menu icon located next to the selected websites. From the drop-down menu, select Remove from History, and there you have it. Second way is to click on the Clear Browsing Data option on the left sidebar. A new window will appear with various options. Choose the time range for which you want to clear your browsing data. You can select Last Hour, Last 24 hours, Last 7 days, or All Time, depending on your preference. Next, select the types of data you want to clear. This may include browsing history, cookies, cached images, and files, and more. Make sure the checkboxes next to the desired categories are checked. Finally, click on the Clear Data button to confirm and clear your browsing history. Your browsing history in Google Chrome has been successfully cleared. Remember to regularly clear your browsing data to maintain your privacy and keep your browser running smoothly. Thanks for watching.